So this is the tree popper hack that I made out of an old brake shoe about 3 years ago, and I've had to do some modifications. And the first one I had to do was I had to add this piece right here. And the reason I had to is because, let me get this turned around, was because the trees were slipping off to the side. So this helps keep the tree lined up with the pipe. And the other thing I had to do was this piece right here was bending out. So I added this support right here. So now the problem I'm having is this stud, I've had to re-weld that stud a couple of times. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this stud off. I'm gonna weld this nut in its place. And I'm gonna put this piece here and this piece here. And that will help support that bolt from both sides. All right, so let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by just removing this stud. All right, so now we're going to position that right there, and it's at 1 3/4. Okay, so we got this cut out, and we're going to put this nut right in here like that and weld that all the way around. All right, we got it all put together, and we're going to try it out on this little pine tree right here. Let's see here. This always helps when the ground is soft. Oh yeah, it comes right out.